Today, I'm going to make my handmade solid deodorant stick, natural, effective, and gentle enough for daily use. This batch makes 5 mini pots, perfect for personal use, gifting, or small batch selling. I will show you the process, but not everything. There is one key ingredient I'm not naming in this video, and if you want to know what it is, you will need to comment below or join the full workshop. I hope you enjoy. Hello, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a deodorant stick, natural, organic and beautiful on your skin. So I'm going ahead to prep my containers. I'm just sticking on top of it some handmade stickers and then we take it from there. I started off wanting to use coconut butter, shea butter and beeswax, but I changed my mind along the line and I swapped my cocoa butter for coconut oil. All right, you can go with any oil or butter of your choice, but I would advise that you use your hard butters. So I started by weighing my ingredients. First I weighed my coconut oil and then I went on to weigh my shea butter and then I added my beeswax. So we are moving on to do our double boil. You can see me pouring some water into my saucepan. I'm going to be putting my wax and butters in there to melt it slowly for me, and that is a double boil method. I know most of you know about it. Now in this recipe I used 3 different types of powders. I'm not going to list the third powder, but I'm going to list just 2 of them. So I used baking soda and then I used kaolin clay. The last one I'm not going to tell you. If you want to know, comment below, I want to know, and then I'll send it to you. Or you can also join our paid workshops. More information will be on our website. So I was doing my double boil. The video just went past quickly. You can see it. I've let it to melt gently on its own. I'm coming back here to measure out my fragrance oils. I used lemon and I also use geranium, lavender oil, and of course my vitamin E. As you can see, all these oils have their benefits, and if you join our paid workshop you will learn exactly the benefits of each essential oil in your deodorant stick, and that will inform you or help you pick the right ingredients to formulate your personalized deodorant stick. All right, so here I'm just basically putting my oils together, and then when my wax and butters are properly melted, you're going to put the mixtures together and mix it beautifully. I'm now weighing my vitamin E oil. That is what is on the scale now. I'm weighing that together with my essential oils, mixing them together, and then quite soon I'm going to be pouring it into my wax and butters, and then I would add my powders to it, mix it properly, make sure that all the lumps have been mixed in beautifully smooth into a smooth paste before we start bottling them. So I'm going to keep quiet, allow you to enjoy the video as it rolls because it's self-explanatory. And then if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section for me. Now look at that, into a beautiful, rich, luxurious consistency. Now look at it, it's so creamy. I'm going to be pouring them out soon. I'd missed a few steps over there. That was where I poured the powders and the essential oils together with the vitamin E in there. So I'm just mixing them together, making sure that the powder is mixed in beautifully, no lumps at all. So do this a couple of times, and as you do that, your fragrance oils also melt beautifully with your oils and your butters and your waxes beautifully. I'm going to go ahead to start pouring them into the pot, and when I've done that, I'm going to leave it to set for an hour to 2 hours, and then I'll come back, cover the pot, and that is it. It's that easy. I like to do organic products for my skin because remember, everything that goes on your body finds its way into your body. So make sure that you're putting the right things on your skin because it's going to find its way into your body. If you don't want any foreign things in there, better go handmade and organic. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment. We'll be careful to respond to all of them. Until we meet again, have a brilliant day. Bye.